Everyone enjoys a new car feel. The appearance and smell of a car's interior is as important, if not more important, than the exterior. That is why we use a line of services developed to repair the most common types of damage to a vehicle's interior through our highly certified SEM professional interior technician. Refurbishing damaged leather, vinyl, plastic, or fabric in your car, truck, van, motorhome, camper, motorcycle, or recreational vehicle not only enhances its appearance and comfort, but also boosts the overall value of your investment as well. Whether you have cigarette burns, faded or worn leather car seats, a damaged leather steering wheel, scratched plastic door panels, or cracked vinyl armrests, Willis Auto Spa will make it look and feel great again for a fraction of the cost of replacement. With how much time you spend inside of your vehicle, you deserve to travel in a well-kept and clean space. Stop in and see us today or visit us at willisautospa.com.